Little storyteller.
Barnaby Bear, a bright red gummy, with a cheerful smile, hummed a little tune. He was very busy in the sunny meadow. Beside him, Penelope Peer, a green gummy with sparkly eyes, carefully bent a black licorice string. "Careful now, Barnaby," she giggled. "This is going to be a very important fuel line for our spaceship." Barnaby held the other end of the licorice. "For the great Candy Nebula," he exclaimed, his voice full of excitement. Nearby, Ollie Orange, a round orange gummy, was pushing a clear plastic bottle across the soft green grass. Inside the bottle were many colorful gummy friends, helping to hold it steady. "Almost there," puffed Ollie, his little legs working hard. "This plastic bottle will make a perfect body for our spaceship." Soon, the gummy bears had carefully attached the licorice fuel lines to the plastic bottle. They used tiny drops of sticky juice to hold everything in place. Barnaby added a sparkly blue gummy star to the top. "It's finished," cheered Penelope, clapping her little hands. "Our gummy bear spaceship is ready to fly." All the gummy bears climbed into the plastic bottle. It was a bit snug, but they were all very excited. Ollie found a big bouncy mushroom and used it to gently push the spaceship. Slowly it started to move across the meadow. They imagined they were soaring through the sky, past fluffy white clouds made of cotton candy. They waved to the friendly ladybug flying by. Soon they reached a big shimmering pond. "This must be the great Candy Nebula," Barnaby exclaimed, his eyes wide with wonder. The water sparkled like 1,000 colorful candies. They all agreed it was a wonderful adventure, building their spaceship and traveling to the sparkling pond. Working together made it even more fun. They learned that when everyone helps, even big dreams can come true.
Please subscribe. Thank you.